Hey, today we're gonna make a Pisco Sour, and we're gonna show you how. And we're going to probably we're gonna play with the syringe.
We're gonna use a needle.
That's true.
Syringe.
So you gotta watch that. Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Danny and Derek gonna make for you. What do we? Oh, the Pisco Sour.
Oh, who doesn't love a Pisco Sour?
Pisco people.
Fucking.
I don't know.
Anytime you put an egg in a drink,
Let's see if
I
we
love it.
Let's see if we do this sans yolk. Otherwise, we make a Pisco flip.
It's all good.
There we go. The Pisco Sour recipe is going to be 2 ounces of Pisco, 1 ounce of lime juice, half ounce of simple syrup, and egg white, Angostura bitters as a garnish. Oh,
come on. You can't You need a smell. There you go.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Dude.
Because that thing,
yeah, you can't garnish with
you
this.
can't garnish with that. I need like a drop of bottle
I
or
have
something.
a bad feeling this is going to go south. But
We gotta start getting some professional.
oh shit! The cap's not on the other end.
Yeah, I was wondering what you were doing.
Where's the cap?
I was wondering. I was like, wow.
It's available for
I'm like, that
parties.
thing just like sat by itself. I'm like, that's pretty cool. I never seen one like that.
If it were water, it might.
Cap's
But
right here.
that's thinner than water, so it doesn't have the same viscosity.
Sure.
Yeah, that should be a cap.
I'm
Yeah.
sticking up for you, Derek.
No cap.
With science.
There you go.
He only needs 3 drops, but I don't know what to do with. You know,
You gotta be able to give it some like pressure.
Yeah. Oh, how am I gonna get this on with the
Ooh,
cap?
gum.
on there?
I need like a small like shaker. Like
We're going to do that on top, right?
I need like
Yeah.
a small. The problem with this bottle, like I went at home, and every time you go like this, it goes
Yeah.
bleh, bleh, and like I'm like,
No, that.
I'm like, why is red all over my fucking cabinet?
That thing fucking shoots like a porn star, no joke. But like,
And then my wife's like, "Oh, Derek's been fucking here."
And you're like, yep.
I'm like, that was Derek. I'm like, that son of a bitch.
she's always playing me. She's like, "Look, you got lime over here on the ceiling." I'm like, "I did not put lime on the
And
ceiling."
this one actually calls for a dry shake.
Oh, good.
So we are doing a dry, not a reverse or non-dry.
Wet shake,
Wet shake.
a non-dry shake. So yeah, you're a dry shake. For those that don't know, you're gonna basically shake without ice, which is fun because
Just make sure you get a good seal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it does not seal naturally.
Well, I've had it blow up.
Typically, if you take the 2 pieces and you put them together, you're gonna get a seal just naturally. Like this doesn't work very good.
Yeah.
But if you're just gonna shake normally, you just go like that, and I can break them. That's bad, right? Except when the ice collects, air, suction, and then you can do that all day. But this,
Do we pour with ice? No, not if we're going to do a decoration, right?
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
gonna nick ignore that bitch.
Yeah.
Oh, do we just dry shake? We don't chill?
No, you
No,
chill.
you
You
do
gotta
it.
chill.
You don't have to follow it verbatim. You know how to make a drink.
I do. I'm like, we're doing something weird.
You gotta chill.
He's like, motherfucker.
And sometimes I leave out some of the details because I know you know how to make
I
a
love
drink.
Pisco Sours.
Our
I haven't had
executive
a Pisco
producer,
Sour in a while.
W.T. Fitz.
You gotta hold on. You gotta let
You
it
gotta
like
take the
sit for a
cap out
minute.
too.
You want to sit for a minute?
Well, hold on. Before you push, there's a cap on the top.
Oh, okay.
Pull the cap off.
Yeah, but not yet. It's gonna go shoot.
Not if you hold it up.
Yeah, no, when it comes
Now
into
the
your face.
oxygen
When
should-
it goes all over your face, you let me know how it feels.
Well, there's no...
You might
You
like
should be able to get pressure.
He
now.
might.
I just don't want...
Oh, see?
You
I just
pushed it
did-
too hard.
You had to go past the...
Yeah.
Because it locks on the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I can just pour this because it's
Yeah, it's
just
probably
gonna
just
pour
gonna
out.
drip out.
If you put the needle end on it,
You want the needle?
yeah, that'd be better. Because then it won't just drip out.
We need like I need a bitter pourer.
Bitter pour?
like a dasher,
Mm,
or
yes.
like you can just buy a dasher. They're
It's getting damn.
I might.
So this one's probably still cool. So what do we want for decoration? I don't even know what I'm doing.
You just gotta drop
We're going
it.
to do this and it's going to look like a
drop it.
Jackson Pollock painting.
It's either 3 dots, or you do a swirl, or you do an Ian, whatever that.
You
was.
gotta drop it and then do the hearts.
Oh, you could do a heart.
Yeah, like don't fuck it up.
No, you got to do the porn star and just blast it all over it. Just there you go. Done.
No, see now it's all nice and foamy. There you
Look
go.
at that. 3 dots and a dash.
All right, now you gotta run the
You
toothpick
can
through
use.
it.
No, he has a toothpick in his hand.
Yeah.
It's a natural
Yeah.
toothpick. If
Just
it leaves a
Do you
little
want me to show you
extra,
how to do this
Use the one
shit?
you've been chewing on, Ian. That's great.
There you go.
But it was just...
I mean, you're really good at shaking, but like,
but I can stir.
yeah.
I like how
you're
he. I'm gonna tell you what you're good at, and you can imply what you're bad at.
No, I think
I know this game.
I've been here before.
It's like,
I've been
oh,
through 15 years of reviews with you. I know this game.
you know what you're really good at? Well, not that. Yeah, it looks fine.
It looks good.
Yeah, I would drink it.
Well,
You will
Well,
drink
do
it.
it then.
I'm gonna do
I
it.
would ask you on a date if you made that for me.
I made it for you.
I know.
So now he's gonna ask you on a date.
Right.
Waiting.
Yeah.
That's an off-camera activity.
Yeah, of course. Nobody
These are
does
nice. They're just so dry and simple and
that. Not that simple.
Mm.
It
Just
has
your
egg
heart's
in
on it.
it. Anything with egg is trash.
Yeah.
Dry and simple. Because it's just a, it's not really a 2-on-1. I guess.
That gets
Pisco's another liquor that's like, it's funky.
I don't know. See,
And I don't know how to explain it. It's funky.
it's like a muted cachaça or something.
Yes,
I
yeah.
don't know.
And we couldn't describe that. So,
It's like
So if you're from Brazil, you know what we're talking about.
It's
Yeah.
a funky rum. Cachaça is like a funky rum.
Where is this from?
like, so what is
Isn't it
Pisco?
Portuguese?
Oh, that
Is Pisco Portuguese?
Oh. It's got some Spanish,
No, is that
Portuguese on it. Oh, well, what's this place? Product of
What's this?
Here.
Pereno?
Pereno. I don't know.
Spell it.
Peruano. Peruno?
Maybe
Oh,
it's Peruvian.
Peru, yeah, duh.
It's Peruvian.
Not Portuguese, it's Peruvian, yeah.
Because when I think Portuguese, oh look on the front, product of Peru. It's just gonna
Yes.
All you had to do is flip it over.
He just had to turn around.
I mean, I figured the
Reading?
back label where all the detail was. So Peru and Brazil are kind of near each other. I don't know what this is
They
They're
based.
on the same continent.
That's what I mean by kind of near each other. Give us some credit here. But I don't know if it's based on the same product design. This looks like it might be grape or something, maybe. I don't know. Like I don't know what the core spirit that they use to make the sugar or to distill the sugar.
It's good, though. Again, another liqueur that I don't know, like, what the hell else you do with Pisco other than make a sour.
I'm sure there's other drinks,
It's
but why would you make anything but a Pisco Sour?
yeah, it's
Pisco,
sweet,
right?
Well,
dry.
you never
Pisco.
know. It could, the other grapes
Pisco.
could be even better.
Pisco.
It could be.
Pisco.
But it
Jen, the
has,
Eternal Alchemist.
I guess it could be great, but it has like a little.
Glass is half full, baby.
It's like a dry sour candy like flavor to it. Like
It's
hard
just
to-
really good. Oh, they have something on here.
I got words.
1 cup of sugar. Holy shit.
Oh, like a recipe. Well,
Fresh
that's
lime.
when it starts with mix 2 cups
Oh,
of this
no,
product.
it's a sour.
Yeah, but it's just made. They're like, here's
just-
how to use the entire bottle.
It's
So
literally
you're gonna
just
need
made
2
for.
bottles.
This is how you buy more of our product.
Right.
Yeah.
How do you could take? We could give you a recipe that you could have individually and as a party if you learn how to scale, or we could just tell you got to have parties.
So it serves 8 drinks or
Make it
2
a punch
people.
bowl.
Or 2 people?
No, I'm just kidding.
I'm like,
Well, our 2 people, yeah.
I was going to say, they've been hanging out at Dan's house.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a shot of egg white. That's pretty funny. You got 2
shot of
cups
egg
of
white?
Pisco, a cup of sugar, a cup of lime, and a shot of egg white.
What the heck is a shot of egg white?
An ounce and a half?
Well, that's what we made.
Yeah.
An egg or two?
It's an ounce and a half. But
Just throw that.
This is-
I mean, by that time you're in a bucket, so you might as well just throw that shit
But why
in
do
there.
they give it? They give it a whole nother name of a recipe. It's this. It's sugar, lime, pisco, and egg white.
No, it's an Andean rouser.
Well, okay, it's this drink
Oh,
with
in
smaller
party size.
numbers.
What's that?
In party size.
In
Yeah.
party size.
Party
And
size.
party size.
Maybe Rouser's like
and even with bitter on top.
Well,
So
it
if-
only has a shot of egg and a whole, like, that has a whole egg white. And
Yeah.
it's a little
Better to
size.
make like this.
Yeah.
I think the
I would make it
consensus
this
is
way.
this is just a good drink.
This
That's
is
a good drink.
simple,
Yes.
easy.
You should, if you haven't
Has
had
like
one,
a-
you should.
A clean
have one.
taste to it that's not too sour, not too sweet.
It's not overdone. It's
No.
just,
It's a simple cocktail.
yeah.
Just use your favorite Pisco, and if you don't have a favorite, like we don't have a favorite, because we just buy what you can get. Because in our country, sometimes you can only get like 3 brands out of stuff from like South America.
Yeah.
Then you just deal with what you got. That's it, my friends. There's a sidebar. There's gonna be more videos. Probably aren't gonna have too many Pisco ones in there. I can tell you what. Down below,
But this is awesome.
yeah, bartender starter kit. Pick one of those up, 2 of those up, 3 of those up, 4 for your friends. That's it. Teach you how to drink.